The longest car. The word longest car, which is 100 feet long, has 26 wheels, was manufactured by Obreg in California, USA. This car is called limousine car. It is also swimming pool with diving board and king size bed, wire bed. The most expensive car. The most expensive car in the world is Mercedes-Benz. It values 1.5 million US dollar. Its spend capability 200 miles per hour. The most obedient car. The world's cheapest car was built 1922. The reddish backward. It was manufactured by World Saturn. Its price was between 125 150 US dollar. Today's car is US dollar 199. Most favorite car. The most popular car in the world is Toyota Corolla. This is the most smallest car. The world's smallest car invented by built at Bill Engine Company 1962.